Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock reference number 5384. The shape runs from the 7th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2016. It has a CTHD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by QZM automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CTHD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear tailgate. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and the right hand guard appears to have no damage. We have the right hand driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, cloth type center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, non-sunroof type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.